Do you know? Not only does the universe show this remarkable organization, even inside your own body, there is a constant tendency toward disorder.
Really? I did not know that.
Yes. Almost every cell in your body contains enzymes capable of breaking down its own vital components. You must be wondering, then, why don't our cells get destroyed? The cell keeps these destructive mechanisms under tight control. Some of these destructive enzymes become dangerously active when calcium rises inside the cell. Not only that, sodium is constantly trying to enter. If too much sodium accumulates inside, water follows, the cell swells, and eventually the cell can rupture.
Then who's stopping sodium and calcium from entering the cell?
There are few molecular pumps in the cell lining or membrane, like calcium pump, sodium-potassium pump. They keep calcium and sodium at extremely low levels within the cells. These pumps need energy to function. The food we eat contains calories or chemical energy. Our cells extract that energy and use it to make a molecule called ATP. ATP is just a molecule, but when ATP is broken down, the reaction releases free energy. The pump uses that energy to move the calcium and sodium ions out of the cell. And when you die, your cells can no longer maintain this energy-dependent organization. The pumps fail, destructive processes take over, and the cells begin to break down. This energy allows your cells to maintain their organization against the tendency toward disorder. But then comes the deeper question. What exactly is this energy? Energy is not a material substance hiding inside ATP. Science can measure it. Science can calculate it. But energy, at the most fundamental level, we don't know.